Hey yo, what is up you guys and welcome back to the channel. Kamusta na kayo? Sana okay lang kayo. Ako okay naman. Medyo nilalamig dahil walang tigil ang ulan, no? So ayun, sana okay lang kayo. Sana di kayo abutan ng ulan, di kayo abutan ng baha. At para sa mga pumapasok dyan, ingat tayo tuwing pumapasok dahil masyadong maulan ngayon. Lalo sa mga nagmamotor ako kapag pumapasok. So, dagdag ingat tayo. Ayun. Anyways, ano nga bang pag-uusapan natin ngayong araw? Well, eto, medyo magandang topic to. This is for the tattoo clients na mga nagkaroon ng mga maling desisyon sa buhay. Of course, this really happens, no? Kasi hindi naman maling desisyon or mga bagay na nagbago na yung isip mo or mga bagay na you regret. So, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is, what's the best for you? Is it cover-up or tattoo removal? Tattoo erasure or tattoo laser? Or laser tattoo removal? Ayun. Basically, yun lang naman. Ano bang mas maganda? I-cover up yan or ipa-remove mo na talaga? Pag-usapan natin yan, pero syempre, alam nyo na, intro muna. Yes, sir. And we are back. Welcome back sa channel. At ano nga bang pag-uusapan natin ngayon? Well, ayun na nga. Ang tanong is, ano nga bang mas maganda? Ipa-cover up yung tattoo or just remove it totally? Ayun. So, of course, it meron tayong kodigo, syempre. And by the way, ayun nga, it really happens, no? Nangyayari yan. At hindi ka, you're not a lesser person kapag ginawa mo to or kapag nangyari sa'yo to. Kasi, well, I also have tattoos that I regret. So, nangyayari sa atin lahat yan. Tao lang tayo. Ako nga tattoo artist na, pero may mga tattoo ako na gusto ko ring mabura or matakpan. So, it often happens to people na kapag nagbago yung isip nila or naiba yung pananaw nila sa buhay na gusto nilang ipaalis yung tattoo or I don't know, ipa-cover up. So, ano nga bang mas ideal doon sa dalawa? Well, depende kasi yan, no? If you wanna remove a tattoo because of trabaho or because of a new life, no, that you have, like if you're from like any correctional facilities and then you have like tattoos that you regret or you wanna forget, it's fine. You do uy, ang lakas ng gulog. You have it removed, you have it lasered or whatever, how you wanna remove it. Just don't do the tubig ng baterya thing, no? Kasi delikado yun, no? And don't burn it or I don't know, whatever tattoo removal process that is not safe. Just don't do it. If you wanna have it removed, do a laser tattoo instead, no? Or laser tattoo removal instead. Kasi I know it's a bit pricey, but marami nang gumagawa niyan ngayon at mas mura na siya compared sa iba. Yun. So, if that's the case, then have it removed. No? But if you don't know what to choose, well, panoorin nyo tong video na to para makapag-decide kayo or malaman nyo kung ano nga bang dapat nyong gawin. If ipapa-remove mo ba yung tattoo or just have it covered up. Okay? So, eto, siguro, pros and cons, hindi ko alam. Pero, if you're gonna have it removed through laser, it's gonna be pricey. So you gotta be prepared, no? physically and financially, no. So it's pricey. So it takes a lot of sessions. So mas nagmamahal pa siya, depende dun sa tattoo na ipapa-laser mo. Ano pa, it's painful, no, parang tattoo din siya. And based from what I've seen, no, it still leaves a mark or I don't know, peklat, no? Meron pa rin siyang peklat, no? Kasi syempre nil-laser siya. Pero alam ko merong iba na hindi nagpepeklat. Depende siguro sa balat mo or how you take care of the tattoo removal process or the tattoo aftercare. Tattoo removal aftercare. So, hindi ko alam, no? Ako personally, hindi ko pa siya na-experience and parang wala naman akong balak, no, na magpa-remove ng tattoo. Ayun. And when it comes naman to cover-ups, no, cover-up, again, syempre, pricey pa rin siya kasi ako, I price it more than the regular tattoos. Kasi nga, mas mahirap siyang gawin. It takes a lot more effort, a lot more ink, and a lot more skills to do cover-ups. No? So, mas mahal siya. Ano pa? Tattoo na naman. Masakit yun, syempre. And since it's an old tattoo, it's already a scar tissue. So, it's gonna be more painful kapag kinover up. Ano pa? You're gonna have you have to set your expectations that not all the designs that you want to cover your old tattoo up, no, is gonna be available or it's gonna be good for your tattoo cover up. So you're gonna have unlimited options when it comes to tattoo cover up, and most of the times you could just give like an idea on what you want, but it's the tattoo artist who's gonna be deciding or who's gonna be doing the cover up. Kasi hindi lahat masusunod talaga. So, didiskartehan pa yan ni tattoo artist. So, that's what happens if you choose cover up. But the good thing is, you're gonna have a new tattoo, di ba? And it's not gonna leave a mark na parang pag nilaser mo is peklat na lang siya. But if you're gonna have it covered up, may bago kang tattoo. So, ayun. Syempre, bias ako dun sa cover up. Kasi syempre, tattoo artist ako. Pero ayun, ano pa, depende kasi yan eh. Kung anong pipiliin mo. Kung, again, sabi ko nga nung una, di ba? Kung para sa trabaho or bagong buhay ka na or may gusto kang kalimutan, then that's fine, have it removed. But if hindi ka lang talaga makadecide, well, again, this is the video for you. So, ano pa? Sorry. Ayun. Isa pang reason, itong kodigo ko, naguguluhan ako eh, no? Kapag if you're gonna do a tattoo cover up, no, you really need to choose the right artist. Kasi hindi lahat ng artist does cover-ups. And hindi lahat ng artist na nagko-cover up ay magaling. Diba? And I would say, when it comes to pricing, siguro, magpapantay lang yan halos or baka mas mahal pa nga yung tattoo cover-up. Depende sa artist. Pero syempre, baka mas mahal din yung laser removal, depende rin sa magre-remove, di ba? But bottom line, mapapagastos ka parehas. No? So either way, ano man piliin mo, mapapagastos ka. So again, sabi ko nga ako, bias ako sa cover-up. So if I'm gonna have a tattoo removed or if I'm gonna be the one who needs to choose if I'll have a tattoo removed or I'll have it covered up, I'll always choose cover-up. Kahit limited yung options ko dyan. Kasi it's still gonna be a tattoo. It's not gonna be a peklat. So, yun. Ano pa ba? Siguro, when it comes to if you're thinking about pain, um, both will hurt probably almost the same as the first time you had that tattoo done. No, um, it's just gonna hurt a bit more when it comes to cover up. But depende yan sa artist, depende yan sa design. Pero expect mo, it's still gonna be painful. So either way, kung pain yung iniisip mo, parehas yan may pain. Kung financial, sabi ko nga, parehas yan, mapapagastos ka. But if you're thinking about the end result at iniisip mo anong kalalabasan, sabi ko nga, kapag laser, peklat yan. Or minsan, hindi pa nabubura lahat. But if it's a cover-up, then you're gonna have a new tattoo. Diba? Ayun. Ano pa? Paano ko nga ba kayo matutulungan mag-decide? Well, kasi ganito lang yan. Are you doing it because ayaw mo na talaga ng tattoo? Or are you doing it because ayaw mo na nung tattoo? So yun, pag-isipan mo mabuti. Kung you're gonna do it because ayaw mo na nung tattoo, then have it removed. Have it removed or laser removal procedure, 'di ba? Pero kung ayaw mo na nung tattoo, kasi magkaiba yun eh. Yung ayaw mo na ng tattoo, ibig sabihin, ayaw mo na ng tattoo. The entirety of tattoo, ayaw mo na. Or ayaw mo na nung specific na tattoo. Diba? If that's the case, then depende sa'yo yan. I would say, kung you still like tattoos and you just don't wanna have that specific tattoo, then cover up na lang, diba? May bago ka pang tattoo. Kasi pag pinalaser mo yan, eh, tapos magpapatattoo ka din, diba? Pero, sometimes, minsan, the option is both. Paano ko nasabing both? Minsan kasi, there are some tattoos na talagang hindi na kayang i-cover up. So, you need to have it lasered just for the old tattoo to be workable for the tattoo artist. Minsan, we advise that na wala, pa-laser mo na muna. Kapag medyo lumabo na, then, let's do the cover-up. So, sometimes, the option is both. Diba? Yun. So, sabi ko nga, depende yan. Kanya-kanyang sitwasyon yan. Kanya-kanyang dahilan. But, again, I'm always gonna be biased sa cover-up kasi I'm a tattoo artist and I'm a tattoo enthusiast as well. So, if you're gonna ask me, have it covered up. Whatever it is, have it covered up. If it's because of trabaho, well, kung yung trabaho mo ay hindi matatanggap na meron kang tattoo, well, I don't think that's the right job for you. Because I don't think, never think na having tattoos makes you a lesser person or makes you a lesser employee, because tattoos doesn't hinder skills, 'di ba? Minsan nga, sabi nga nila, 'di ba? Minsan mas magaling pa yung mga tao na hindi mo inaakala. Right? So if that's the case, just get a different job. That's my take, no? Sabi ko nga, ako, I have, like, I'm heavily tattooed hanggang sa mukha. And I have a job. I have a decent paying job. I have, I would say, a great job, no? And may tattoo ako. So, they didn't ask me to remove my tattoos. So, I never did. And I never will. Yun. Ayun, yun lang. Sana natulungan ko kayo mag-decide. Nakatulong ba ako? Sana nag-gets nyo yung mga pinupunto ko. At kung kapag-decide na kayo, comment kayo sa baba. Para malaman natin kung may naitulong ba ako. At Kung meron akong mga hindi nasabi or mga kulang na kaalaman, comment din kayo sa baba para matuto rin ako, di ba? At kung may mga tanong kayo, pwede kayong magtanong sa comment section. Pwede rin kayong magpa-shoutout para malaman natin kung hanggang saan umaabot yung mga videos natin. Just comment kasabwat ng kung taga saan kayo. Halimbawa, kasabwat ng Bulacan, ng Giginto, ng Rizal, ng Montalban. Yun, para shoutout ko kayo. Ano pa? Napansin ko, medyo mataas, no? 90%, actually 92% ng nanonood ng mga videos natin are not subscribed. So please do subscribe and consider hitting the bell icon para nanonotify kayo every time we have a new video. Dahil every Saturday, 7:30 PM, nag-upload ako ng bagong video. Okay, yun lang. Peace out.